Behco Dynamic Automation Experience. My name is Brandon Schulak, and today I'm going to show you guys the Schunk EGP gripper. This is a Schunk EGP-40. There are several different grippers in the EGP line. The biggest difference is a maximum force. This is a generic I/O station, and this is a Unitronics HMI PLC. Communications are set up with Ethernet IP over I/O link. There are various features of this gripper. One of them includes the ability to change force. This is very useful when working with parts that are fragile. To show you an example, I'll grip at 100% force, and I won't be able to pull the gripper back. But if I grip at 25% force, I can pull it back with ease. Another feature of this gripper includes the ability to command position. So if I go to position enable, let's say I want to go half the grip length, I'll put in 200 here, and position run, and it'll grip just a little bit. The biggest feature of this gripper is the ability to teach up to 8 different workpieces. Now to show you what that means, I'm going to put the screw into the gripper here. And the screw is kind of fragile, and I don't want to scratch it, so I'm going to turn the force down a little bit. And I'm going to hit grip workpiece. Now what this does is it saves the force and the position the screw is gripped into a preset so that I can grip it in the exact same position every time. So I'll go ahead and do that. Put it back in and grip, and it goes to the same spot. Thank you for watching, and check us out at Behco.com. Have a great day.